Thank you for your interest in my active listing.
Welcome to this bright 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo situated in International Village at Inverrary, Lauderhill.
This residence offers a spacious 800 square feet of finished living space.
The thoughtful design maximizes functionality within this intimate floor plan, making excellent use of every square foot.
Sit in your balcony and enjoy the partial views of the lake.
Located within the established International Village at Inverrary community, this property presents an accessible opportunity for those seeking a 24HS man-gated community full of amenities. Surrounded by lakes, golf courses and shopping. Ameities include indoor and outdoor pool, indoor and outdoor jacuzzi, gym, tennis courts, pickleball, clubhouse, walking paths, events, and much more. HOA needs 670 credit, 40k income.